across your hand.
Imagine this. You're going about your day, walking, driving, working, when suddenly, without warning, the sun vanishes. Instantly, daylight disappears. No sunset, no warning, just total darkness. Confusion sweeps the world. People stop, look up, searching for answers in a sky gone black. Panic spreads. Lights flicker on, traffic halts, and a chilling realization sets in. The sun is gone. For 1 hour, Earth is plunged into an impossible night. What happens next will test everything we know. When the sun vanishes, no one notices at first. Life continues, people eat, work, play, bathed in sunlight that's already a memory. For 8 minutes the world is blissfully unaware of the cosmic disaster. Then, the final rays of sunlight reach Earth. Suddenly, as if a cosmic switch is flipped, daylight vanishes. No sunset, just instant darkness. Confusion erupts. People look up in shock, city lights flicker on, and panic spreads as the world realizes the sun is gone. In an instant, everything changes. The age of unknowing ends and a new era of fear and uncertainty begins. With sunlight gone, the cold sets in fast. Earth's atmosphere and oceans start losing heat, and the temperature drops by several degrees within the hour. Deserts could freeze. Temperate regions feel a sudden unnatural chill. Weather systems go haywire. Land cools faster than water, creating massive temperature gradients and chaotic winds. Storms may brew, driven by the energy of absence, not sunlight. People scramble for warmth and light, overwhelming emergency services and power grids. Fear spreads as the world plunges into confusion and anxiety. 30 minutes in, the crisis deepens. The animal kingdom is thrown into chaos. Daytime creatures panic, birds lose their way, herds stampede, predators freeze. Nocturnal animals emerge, confused by the sudden darkness, colliding with day dwellers. Photosynthesis halts instantly. Plants and ocean phytoplankton stop making oxygen and food, sending shockwaves through ecosystems. Nature holds its breath, waiting for the return of light. Our technology is just as vulnerable. Solar power vanishes, straining power grids and triggering blackouts as demand for light and heat surges. Cities go dark, the hum of modern life falls silent. Satellites, reliant on solar panels, run on batteries. Some may fail, risking loss of GPS, communications, and weather data. When the sun returns, the sudden energy surge could damage delicate electronics. Restarting the grid is slow and complex. Outages linger even after daylight returns. Our technological web, it turns out, has a single point of failure: the sun. The world is left exposed. Then, with startling speed, the sun returns. Not gradually, not gently, but as an explosion of light. A sudden, intense burst, banishing the darkness in an instant. Eyes, adjusted to the long darkness, are now assaulted, blinded by the sudden, fierce light. Instinctively, people shield their faces, stunned and overwhelmed by the sheer brilliance. It's a painful, unwelcome return. The atmosphere, plunged into sudden daylight, heats rapidly, triggering violent and unpredictable weather patterns. Thunderstorms erupt, tornadoes begin to form, and turbulent winds whip across the landscape, carrying debris and destruction. The world's weather engine, stalled and frozen for an hour, restarts with a vengeance, unleashing chaos upon the unprepared world. Technological recovery is slow and arduous. Systems are overloaded and damaged. Power grids struggle to come back online, flickering and failing under the strain. Satellites, damaged by the sudden surge of energy, struggle to re-establish their orbits and functionality. Communication and navigation systems remain patchy and unreliable, hindering rescue efforts and creating further confusion. The psychological impact is immense, a deep-seated unease settling over the population. Our sense of security, once taken for granted, is now shattered, leaving us vulnerable and afraid. The sun, once a comforting symbol of constancy and predictability, now feels fragile, its reliability forever questioned. Humanity is left with a mixture of awe, fear, and profound uncertainty, and a desperate need to understand the forces that could so easily disrupt our world. The hour of darkness is over, but its mark remains, a stark reminder of our vulnerability in the face of cosmic power. This impossible hour reveals a profound truth. Our world is a solar-powered machine. Every aspect of life, climate, biology, technology, depends on the sun's steady light. The sudden darkness, chaos, and recovery show how fragile our existence is. The sun's return is a reminder we are tenants, not masters, utterly reliant on our star. By imagining its absence, we learn to appreciate its presence. Every sunrise is a gift, every ray of light a reason for gratitude. The sun is the heart of our world, and we are forever changed by the hour it left us alone in the dark.